Dumbass! I guess like I'm like, yeah, I guess you wouldn't want to go to like some random like regular convention. Oh, Jesus Christ! Karma! No, this. Oh, the car.
This could all be yours.
Whoa! What the man? Are you stupid? Are you retarded? You were like 6 feet off. You were, buddy, it's 2 lanes. You were 6 feet. You were over the line. You were over the line. It's 2 lanes. It's 2 lanes. Buddy, you were 6 feet over the line. What do you want me to do? Hell, mate.
Plus qu'un problème de moyens, aussi d'organisation et de savoir si on fait des lois uniquement à des fins entre guillemets électorales ou est-ce qu'on fait des lois utiles et qui peuvent être mises en œuvre. C'est ça le problème, c'est pas uniquement un problème de moyens.
At the next light, turn right.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, the deer came in their windshield.
Oh geez, it's in the car still.
Cow.
Well dude, you can't just stop in the middle of the road.
Yikes.
cop's back. Have you got reception? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We're showing the police that, yeah, I did.
Oh my god.
He fell a victim addicted to crack. Come on my bitch, check out my neck. All of my bitch, little bitch, she relax. She done got way too attached. Notice that my today waist is a snack.
Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah.
Oh, nice.
I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't had shit.
Mother. I just know I'm thinking of an apple. I don't. Man, holy dude. What a
Did you set out that morning with the intent of hurting someone?
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Looks like a young kid.
It's a Fiat 500.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah, but you were supposed to go, mate.
It is a kiddie.
It is a kid. Oh my god, he looks about 15.
Oh, do I believe in Arizona? I want to. I know.
What?
Every year it feels like I go, no, this is.
But I keep the one who's feeling sad. Can't be the obstacle, even if you wanted to. This is what the feel. I'm not gonna back in. What the f do you want? What?
Can't beat the old stuff, even if you're trying to. We don't need that sparking light.
Brother, are you good, bruh?
I've been holding my breath.
What the f are they doing?
Something you say.